Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change layout in TradingView. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure to log in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. Now head over to the chart section. Here you can see the chart icon at the bottom. Tap on it. Now you need to go to the chart settings. Now in the charts page, here you can see the three dots icon at the bottom right. Tap on it. If you scroll down, here you can see select layout option. Tap on it. From here you can select your preferred layout. In order to activate this layout, you need to subscribe to the premium account of TradingView. Only then you can access all these layouts. After that, you can select your preferred layout from these options according to your need. So that's it. That's how you can change layout in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.